Oh, I don't agree.
It's completely wrong.
Refugees are who?
Definitely a misconception.
Plenty of refugees. They were real professionals in their home countries.
Like if I suddenly became a refugee, it doesn't mean I suddenly lose any skills, experience, expertise, or education that I have.
Hey, have you ever worked with anyone from refugees? They are so motivated and so hardworking.
They bring strong determination and strong level of commitment.
These are the people who don't take any opportunity for granted.
We would never compromise the quality of our hires just to tick a box.
I don't do it for PR, I don't do it for communication. I do it because I want access to the best qualified candidates.
In Novartis, we are offering equal opportunities for everyone.
We are only hiring people who are the best fit for the position.
Personalities, ideas, talent, qualifications, and backgrounds.
Hiring refugees can be a strategic business decision that can lead to a more skilled, diverse, productive, and socially responsible workforce.
By maintaining fair and inclusive hiring practices, we not only uphold our values but also secure a competitive advantage through exceptional talent.
And as a company that's about reimagining medicine together, that inclusivity and that rich cultural perspective is what we need.
Your goal as a hiring manager is always to find the best possible talent, and that might just be a refugee in this case.
For them, job is not only about income, it's about their hope, about their future, and about their dignity.